Alright, so what we're going to end up doing today is we're going to install Visual Studio on Debian. So to do that, we're going to go to code.visualstudios.com and we're going to download the deb package. And we can click here, down here for deb. If you click this download button over here, we have it over here too. So we're just going to go ahead and click that, and then we'll download the file. And once it's downloaded, what we're going to do is we're going to just hit the folder to open this up. And I like to go over here and just right click on this and hit properties. And then I like to take this text right here and just copy that. And then hit cancel. And then go over here to our tools. And then we're going to open up in terminal. And I'm going to have this up a little bit so you can see it. Alright, so now that that's up, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to sudo, and then I'm going to apt, and I'm going to install, and then what I'm going to install is that packet right there. So I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm going to hit enter. It's going to ask me for my password. It's going to be okay. So I'm going to type that in, and then I'm going to run that. And it's going to say unable to locate it, and I think what I did here is I'll have to do the / on it. Hit enter, and now it's installing. So we're just going to wait for that to install, and once that's installed, we'll come back to it. Alright, so now that we got everything installed, we're just going to go up here and hit X, exit out. And then I can delete this file here. I don't really need this anymore, so I'll just move that to trash. It'll be alright. And then we'll just close everything out here. Now if things go well, I should have it up here on programming. And I got Visual Studio Code. I click on that, and then there it is. We got Visual Studio Code installed. We can just choose a theme. I just like the dark mode with high contrast, and I'm just going to use that. And from there, I'm just going to mark all this done and blow this up. If I hit the right arrow, and there we are, right there, Visual Studio Code. We can go to our terminal, and then new terminal, and we have our terminal down here. Alright, so there are a couple other things that I want to show you here. We can go up here to view. We can go down here to extension, and then, I can type in like the Jupyter. So if I like working with Jupyter notebooks, I can have that in there, and I hit install. And we'll go ahead and we'll install that package in there. And then if I want to work with, let's say, Docker containers, I can put Docker in here, and then I can install the Docker, and it's just little features that help us program a little bit better. And then we'll have Python up in here, and then this is the language support, and we'll just hit install. And installing your extensions is as easy as that. So have fun, enjoy, and stop programming, and I'll talk to you guys later.